The iPhone 5 front glass assembly repair. For this project you'll need a pentalobe screwdriver, a screen suction cup tool, a Phillips 00 screwdriver, a case opener tool, and a printable screw organizer sheet. Start by turning off your iPhone 5. Remove the bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Using a suction cup tool, we're going to separate the screen assembly from the chassis. Place the suction cup and carefully pull upward just enough so that there's a gap between the chassis and the screen assembly. Use your case opener tool and work around the gap until the screen assembly becomes loose. Once it's loose, pull the screen back carefully. There are still cables attached underneath. Remove these next 3 screws, including 2 shields that hold down the battery connector. Remove these next 3 screws and the shield. Using the case opener tool, disconnect the battery. Disconnect the LCD, the digitizer, and the front camera assembly cables. We can now safely remove the front screen assembly. Remove these next 2 screws that hold down the ear speaker and the front camera assembly. Carefully remove this small plastic washer. Using the case opener tool, carefully remove the front camera assembly. It's held in place by some small adhesive. Remove these next few screws that hold in the LCD shielding plate. Remove these next two screws that hold down the home button ribbon cable. Using a case opener tool, gently pry up the home button ribbon cable as it is still attached by some adhesive. Remove the home button by pressing it inward. We're now ready to replace the old front screen assembly with a new assembly. Take the home button and place it into the new assembly. Take the home button ribbon cable and place it back over the home button. Secure the home button ribbon cable with the two screws. Don't forget to secure the home button ribbon cable by pressing on the end contacts where there is adhesive. Replace the LCD shielding plate. Reinstall the front camera assembly. Carefully install the small plastic washer. Reinstall the ear speaker. Carefully reinstall the front screen assembly. Make sure when you're reattaching the cables that they snap into place. Reinstall the shield cover. Secure the shields, reconnecting the battery. We can now secure the front screen assembly to the chassis. Make sure the top part is flush and then work your way down, pushing down towards the bottom until the screen is flush with the chassis. Once the screen is flush, replace the pentalobe screws at the bottom. This now completes our repair. Thanks for watching.